This is the tutorial for how you can access and use the math content for the Math Refresher with College Success Tips course. When you click on Home, you'll notice the link to the math content is found on the bottom of the main page. When you click here, you notice that there will be 18 different units. Each unit is designed very similarly, so going through one will help you understand how to navigate the rest. After clicking on a unit, the unit homepage will come up and will give you instructions about the pre-assessment, My Learning Path, the unit map, and the progress bar. The unit map contains all the topics that are found in the unit, while the pre-assessment allows the system to generate the topics that you will need to work through. Click Start to begin the assessment. Notice the progress bar along the bottom, letting you know how far you have progressed. The format of the questions will consist of multiple choice, free response, and matching problems. When you finish the exam, you will see your results. The pre-assessment has now created a personalized learning path. The open circles are topics requiring your attention. All topics have the same layout. Clicking on one of these topics will bring up the topic home, similar to that unit homepage we just saw. This page contains warm-up, a presentation, worked examples, practice problems, and the mastery review. You can click on any of these at any time to jump right to their content. Also notice the link in the upper right, which will take you to the textbook in a separate web page. You can read through this text, as well as look at the topic terms and glossary for this topic. The warm-up is the best place to start. It will give you questions related to the material that is coming up. These problems have the same types as the pre-assessment: multiple choice, free response, and matching. Clicking on Presentation will open a multimedia presentation of the material. It has a slider bar along the bottom, which will allow you to move through the video at your leisure. Closed captioning is also available. If you click on Worked Examples, you will see someone working on different problems related to the topic. Along the bottom, you can see the number of problems worked. You can also see some gray circles that allow you to jump to different steps of the problem. Clicking on Practice brings up problems for you to work on. You are allowed 2 attempts on a single problem. If you miss a problem, you will get some feedback to help you answer the problem correctly. If your second attempt is also wrong, you will need to move on. If you find yourself missing too many questions, it might be a good idea to go back to the presentation. After practicing, you'll click on Review. The review is where you show what you have learned about the topic. Unlike practice, you'll submit all of your answers without knowing if they are right or wrong. Once you are done with the review, you will be able to review your answers, see which ones you got right and wrong, as well as review individual questions to get feedback related to them. Once you've finished a topic, you can click on the My Learning Path link in the upper left to get back to your learning path. Notice that this topic is now started with a half-filled circle because we've only partially finished the review. When we finish the review, it will become a full circle. We'll now show you the unit map. When you have completed different pieces of the project, you will notice that your learning map will contain check marks for those that the pre-assessment passed you out of, filled in circles for those topics that you have mastered on your own, half-filled circles for topics that you have started, and open circles for things that you have not completed yet. Good luck working through the modules. Let us know if you have any questions.